about Mickey Ceataidh?
No.
They say he can see things.
What sort of thing?
In the future.
Really?
You know, tice and manna, things like that.
Oh.
Yeah. He even went to the priest to try to get clear of it.
Oh.
And the priest said, it must be a gift from God.
Oh.
You think of that, a gift from God. Imagine that. Oh my God.
Oh,
Oh, it's Captain Donald.
wow.
Play that, give it as a pig. Just so you come in, and this is my friend Ousak.
Oh, please.
Yeah, a new neighbour, another good neighbour joined us.
I've been away so much on the sea, and I haven't.
Just so you sit down and get warm up a little bit. And I'll tell you, I have a good little gillet for you.
Oh,
Look at
mother, look at
The
that.
best rum
Oh, pour a little in there.
from the West
old
Indies.
Captain.
Oh my God,
that's
that'll
good,
warm
that's
you
good,
up.
that's
That'll do it right.
Ah,
Oh my God.
that gets her
No,
going.
I thought you were in Newfoundland.
Well, I was supposed to be, but I was talking to Mickey Ceataidh, and I thought better of it.
Mickey Ceataidh.
You know Mickey Ceataidh? He said that my ship was going to go down in a terrible storm.
Oh no.
I didn't know whether to believe him, but he said he had a second sight. He said he was working on the ship, loading lumber and logs on board, and he saw this vision. He looked down in a hole, and he could see boards floating in water, as if the ship was sinking. I didn't know whether to believe him or not, but I didn't want to go on the boat anyway. But you know, poor Ian Rory, he went off on the ship. Look.
Oh.
My boat went down on the way to Newfoundland. Everyone perished. Everyone drowned. My poor forsaken body can be found on the shores of St. Paul's Island. Oh, I'm going to the bottom pits of hell, and I'm taking you with me.
What a fright! Oh, mother!
What's that?
I got some bad news. There's bodies washing up down on the shore.
Oh.
The people are saying that's the crew from that ship that was bound for Newfoundland.
No.
Oh,
Ian,
well, Ian.
God bless him.
Everybody was thinking that Mickey Ceataidh wasn't saying the right stories, but all the old people, they believe Mickey Ceataidh.
God bless us.
Oh,
Oh my.
mate. Honest to God.
God bless us.